Good afternoon and welcome to my Fluidart tutorial channel, Michelle Pearhart Art. My name is Micky. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back and thank you for joining me today. If you haven't already and you're enjoying my videos, I'd really love for you to support my channel by pressing that subscribe button, comment, share the video, or just give it a thumbs up. Any of those things helps my channel to grow, and that would be very much appreciated. Okay, so let's get started. So today I've got Amsterdam titanium white. Okay, we have Liquitex basics medium magenta, Mont Marte metallic bronze, and metallic silver. So only a few colours today. So I've got an old canvas here. I just want to do a base that has so I'm just going to make it like a light pink. So I'm just going to put a bit of Amsterdam white in here. Then I'm just going to add a little bit of this pink, not much, and then give it, so I don't have much in there, and I'm just going to give it a little bit of a mix. So I don't want the base white, but I don't want it too pink either. I just want it sort of just a tinge of pink, and it will dry darker. Okay, so that's all I'm doing for this. So let's just lay the colour on. So I'll go around the edges. So I was going to do two-tone, but I decided I'll just do it all this nice light pink. So I'll just fast forward this while I get my base on. Okay, my base is down. Just give it a good torch. Okay, so I'm just going to lay my colour. So I might just do it right in the middle, or should I do two? Might just do the one. So I'm laying the pink, the bronze, and then the silver. Not sure how much silver I have. Okay, then what do I want? The white again. So I might surround it with some white. And give it another torch, and I'm just going to blow it out. tilt that inways. Okay. Love all this here. Might give this a little bit of a torch. So just scrape these sides underneath. So I don't want it to fall off. Do love all this. Don't know if it's going to stay that way. Okay, scrape all underneath. Okay, so what do I want to do with this now? I do love that. I don't like this part here. Although there's some cells popping up there. Might just tilt it maybe. Okay. Take that off. Okay, this is really pretty. It's really pretty. Don't know about this because don't know about this part here. Might have to scrape that off actually. But I do like this. Not too fond of that. Okay. Is that bubble? Yep. Bubble. Okay. Okay. Might do a little bit white there. Okay, it's starting to look a bit better. Okay, I might give that a little bit of torch. In the middle. Just to get rid of some of that silver. Okay. Okay, I think I don't mind that now. This is nice and soft there. Do love this. Like this now. This I think I need to push in ways though. So Okay. Let that flow off the side. Okay. Turn it around. I'm going to get paint all through my hair. Okay. Yes, I've got paint on me. Okay. Actually, don't mind that. Okay. I usually just get a little scraper. I just scrape all the drips around the underneath of my canvas. I think I just might let that dry now. Wow, a lot came off from underneath that one. Okay, might just let that dry, and I will bring you down to have a quick look. Bring you down just to have a quick look in the sunlight. There we go.